let's lay some Donkey Kong side art. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna clean off the area with some alcohol, rubbing alcohol. And you can see I already removed the monitor bolts. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get my side art. And I'm gonna put a couple pieces of tape on each side at the very top. Now this goes 4 inches from the top, so I'm gonna eyeball it. Let's see, right about there. Get this and take a measurement. Now there's a white outline, so I'm gonna go 4 inches to the top of that. And this makes it easy when you put 2 pieces on to easily change the side of just dropping and lowering without messing anything up. So that's 4, that's 4. Now I got 2 3/4 there, and 2 3/4 there. So, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a hinge piece of tape right at the very top. So I'm gonna take a piece of masking tape like this. I'm gonna split the distance on both of them like that. So there's about 50% of tape on here, 50% on the machine. Let me get a squeegee. Okay. Get that tape on there real good. I'm gonna pull this up. I'm gonna pull the backing off about halfway. Kind of gives you a nice tight place to hold it. Pull it down, just like that. I'm gonna start in the center, go down. I'm gonna work my way to the outside by overlapping each one of my strokes. Same over here. When I get the top on, pull the rest of the backing off, go right over top of these mounting bolt holes. You can see this is bubble-free vinyl. Just 50% overlap each stroke. That. You can hear the air coming out. There you have it. That's how you put on side art in under 3 minutes. That looks awesome.